Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Phantom.Strategies. So let's talk about Cardano ADA in this video. Let's do a quick video review. Talk about some of the support and resistance level in Cardano. Right now it's trading at around 28 cents. We have been covering Cardano on this channel for a while now. Let's do a recap. I just want to bring you a quick technical analysis on Cardano and give you some of the input on what I'm looking at right now. Alright, so before I get it started, if you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit those notifications and those bell icons so you can get this content right away. And if you think this is helping you with your trading, with your investing, then please do give me thumbs up. That really means a lot. Alright, so as I said, Cardano is trading at around 28 cents right now. I'm looking at ADA to USD pair. This data is getting calculated by TradingView, and this is coming from Binance. All right. So we have been talking about. Let's do a quick recap. All right. So Cardano, we talked about Cardano regarding this falling wedge action that I have pointed out in this big falling wedge. Falling wedge, as I said, is more of a bullish pattern rather than a bearish one. So what happened here is, like, we had a falling wedge, it broke out. The volume was decent, but we never had a follow through in the market. The overall market was quite weak, and then we had a sell off, another like a wedge action, try to break out, did not work, and then we created this double bottom in mid-April. After creating the double bottom, overall market also got healthier and picked up, and we have been sitting in this channel which is getting narrow and going up. Alright, so we're in this narrow up channel right now, which is going up, and it's almost going to make this rising wedge. So it's very critical that we make, we have the support line of this channel and the resistance line of this channel, and we're coming to this a higher end of this channel. And I have mentioned this to my email subscriber yesterday, that we are coming to that resistance level, and a lot of these coins are have ran pretty like long way, and they will be consolidating and for a few days, and that's exactly what we are seeing right now. All right, so all of these coins have had all coins, even Bitcoin, had a really good run in last week or couple of weeks, and now they're consolidating because they need some time to digest. We had a massive run in last week or 10 days, and now it's time to kind of like digest those gains before we can have a second leg up. All right, but one thing that I really want to mention, that we want to make sure in the consolidation it's not a massive sell-off in this consolidation, and it's a rather more of a a low volume consolidation, and it's just like trading hands of people who are just already taking some profit off the table, or just trading it and getting into some position rather than selling all of their position. So this narrow channel in Cardano, we need to make sure that it remains strong, but it's coming to this point that it is becoming very narrow, and it will break to the downside for consolidation. Now the question is, when it breaks this channel, when it breaks the channel, when the price action breaks the channel, how severe is that break? Is it like consolidating break and then it's going up, or is it a massive leg down and then perhaps going up? So that's the question. So, and that question will be answered by the volume, if the volume is picking up on the sell-off, or if it's like a normal average volume. All right, so let's look at the 4-hour time frame as a smaller time frame. So as I said, we are in this channel right now. We are finding the support from the channel right now. We also have the 26-25 cents price point that will act as a support in Cardano. So keep an eye on the support level. They should hold up, in Cardano if we still have the room to move up. So I will be looking for the support in Cardano around that 26-25 cents. That's the first level of support. Then the second level of support is going to be around 24 to 22 cents. That will be the second level of support in Cardano. So even when you if you did not get into Cardano in the earlier run, when we have mentioned about Cardano, about this bottoming out process, you can go back to the video library and check it out on the videos that I have mentioned on Cardano, that it was getting, bottoming out, and we are creating the slower base, and the opportunity that it created around that time was amazing, and it was really like just a matter of time that it was gonna go toward the upside. So if you missed the boat on that early April, second week of April call, then perhaps you want to take a look at it on the retracement. On the retracement, 26 cents is a good level. 24 cents is also a good entry level on Cardano. So if you missed that boat earlier in the April, then perhaps you wanna reconsider, or perhaps you wanna look at into Cardano. It's one of the good coins that to hold in your crypto portfolio. All right. Right now, on the upside, let's talk about, so I mentioned about the retracement support, so let's talk about the resistance going up. Now on the going up, there's a lot of price action, or hands that took place between 30 cents and 36 cents. So that level between 30 and 36 cents will act as a resistance zone. You can call it as a resistance zone, because that level, it will act as a resistance, and we have to get over that. If we try to get over it too fast, we won't have enough momentum to get it. So we need a nice consolidation in this 28-30 30 cents zone, and then we can have a nice push and go through those resistance level or resistance zone. So that from 30 cents to 36 cents, keep an eye on that. It will act as a resistance zone, and it will act as a resistance. All right, so it's let me just, okay, and I'm not on PC. 88. Okay, so now we have it typed as well. All right, so now that area, we know that it will act as a resistance zone going up. So be mindful about it. All right, so let's do a quick recap. 28 cents, Cardano is trading at 28 cents. We are in this up channel, almost like a rising wedge. Now rising wedge becomes more bearish than bullish, but the key is when it breaks this channel, is it finding the support? What support it is finding? As long as it stays over that 25 cents, we can have a push toward 30 cents and clearing this resistance zone that we have in Cardano between 30 cents and 36 cents. All right. So if you missed the boat in Cardano in this earlier time, perhaps buying it in this retracement until 24-25 cents is a pretty good opportunity in my opinion. Again, the overall market needs to stay healthy as well. If you're buying it, then I would buy with some stop losses, maybe 4 or 5% stop losses here in Cardano. I wouldn't go into this position without any stop losses. All right, anything that I would get into the retracement right now, I would not get in without stop losses. Maybe 5%, 4% stop losses in them. That will make sure that if the price action does not move in my favor, my risk is limited to 4% or 5%. All right, especially in this market right now. All right, I have said it earlier in the video in the morning that bulls still have the momentum, but this is the time that we need to consolidate, and we need to regroup in a lot of this altcoin that have run almost like 80 and 100% in last 10 days, and then kind of come back and clear those major resistance that we have coming up. ahead of us. All right. So that's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any questions. I have said it earlier in the video, this is a good time to, like, you know, think about your portfolio, do some of the portfolio analysis. I'm still providing the service regarding the portfolio analysis, so if you want me to take a look at your portfolio, then do shoot me an email and we can go from there. All right, talk to you soon.